So now that we know how important zero and first party data is, how do we go about actually collecting it? For zero party data, and by no means is this list exhaustive, but it's meant to showcase some examples of how you can do so. Some of my favorite ways to do zero party data collection are a quiz, pre-purchase with a tool like Octane.ai. So you can ask certain questions, and for a beauty client, for example, you might ask, what is your main skin concern? And they would reply, acne or dry skin or something to that effect. And then that is passed through to your email and SMS marketing platform and can be used later on for segmentation. Next would be post-purchase surveys with a tool like Enquire Labs, where the same concept would apply from the quiz. Third is product reviews, and one that we see not being utilized a ton. So in your product review requests, sure, you want to ask for a star rating and a comment, but you can also ask for demographic data. So you could actually ask for main skin concern or age or other data points during that review collection process that's then stored for you in your SMS marketing platform and can be used for segmentation later on. And typically we're using Okendo for that. And then fourth is with SMS itself. So you can implement conversational SMS communications where you would text somebody and say, hi, do you like red, white, or rosé? Reply red for red, reply white for white, and reply rosé for rosé, or whatever keyword you want to set up that matches to that particular attribute. Then, depending on the response, that is stored for that contact profile and can be used for segmentation later on. So you can even use your SMS marketing program to further aggregate zero-party data. Now, first-party data. This is a lot easier. Almost all of your first-party data is just going to come from Shopify or your e-commerce platform. But you also get some first-party data from your subscription program, like whether or not the customer is an active subscriber or not, and loyalty programs as well. So how many points do they have? What was the last customer that they referred? These are all things that are first-party data, but they're just inherent to the tool sets that you're already using. So there's not a whole lot that you have to do there in terms of aggregating, but there is in terms of, now that I have this first-party data, what can I do with it to personalize and create these experiences that will help improve retention?